Everybody, it's your boy JP here, back with another video. So today we're gonna be talking about how I got my first pressure washing customer. I wanted to add this video to add value to your life and your business. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, man. This is free advice I'm giving you. So help a brother out with a good smash on that like button. But I'm gonna make this short and sweet and make this fast because I want to give you value so you can go out there and start making money right now. So the way I got my first customer was actually through Facebook ads. I got my customer through Facebook ads. I was running them at $15 a day. It took a day for Facebook to kind of warm up, but that second day, the ad that I wasn't really too proud of it. A pretty basic ad. I actually didn't think it was going to do good. I was kind of testing the waters, but I'll be damned if it wasn't that next morning. I got a call on my Google Voice number and had a voicemail, and she wanted the house and driveway done. She was selling the house. And so that was my first customer. And I picked up the phone, man. I acted like I had been doing this since 20 years ago, man. That is a big tip I want to give you too. When you do get your first customer, because it's going to happen, make sure that you do not tell them that they are the first customer. One, they will try to haggle the price down on you. At least I think so. I've never done it, but it just makes sense. Why would they not? And two, they won't trust you as much. And so I feel it's more respectful to not say that kind of thing and just be confident, because it keeps the peace of mind with the customer, right? So that's a big tip I can give you. Do not ever tell a customer that, they're the first customer, the second, third. Act like you've been doing this for years. But as my first customer was through Facebook ads. And now, how did I run my Facebook ads? Well, I do have a video that actually shows you how to make a basic Facebook ad. Like I said, I ran it at $15 a day, but I could have ran that for a week, and the price that I charged for that job, it would have made up for that week. But luckily I got it on my second day. My first customer on my second day, right? And so if you're just getting started, I do recommend just checking out my free video. But if you are an overachiever and you're looking to be my Facebook strategy that is making me over 10K a month currently, especially in the off season, you can actually go in the description, check out my course. Link is in the description, and you can learn my unbeatable Facebook ads method. Also, I do have a $5 marketing game plan. Basically, it goes over yard signs, business cards, flyers. Digital marketing is not your thing and you don't know how to, you just don't want to put the time in to learn it. I understand, but I will say, when I say unbeatable, it's an unbeatable method. But even just a basic method will work, because guys, we're all on our screens these days, man. Your customer is probably watching videos and then they see your ad, boom, they're like, oh my God, I needed pressure washing done. Let me go ahead and book them, right? Have a good website, literally have it ready to be booked, have a book now button the size of the damn screen, and have it ready for them to click on, and you will have your first customer, I'm telling you. But let's just say if you don't want to do the digital marketing side, that's fine. You can just buy some business cards at Staples. You can also buy yard signs if you want to. Personally, I would go the business card route. If you haven't had your first customer yet, go ahead, and what you can do is get business cards. They're cheap as hell, man. $30, you can get like 100 business cards at Staples or something. Take your business cards, and man, if you really, really want it, the day I stood up from my 9 to 5 and walked out and went full time, because I was fed up, I needed to make a change in my life, man, I went door to door with business cards, right? And that's how I started to ramp up business a little bit with my digital marketing. So it works, right? It works. Now, is it tried and true? Is it something you should depend on? Probably not. I need a more sustainable method to continue to get customers, because I feel like a lot of people do not realize that at the start. You will get your first customer. I promise you, you will get your first customer, but it's not the first customer that's going to make your whole business. Okay. It's the consistent customers that are going to book out your months. And to stay booked, you need to have something constantly running. You need to have funnels. You need to have ways that something that is targeting your customers and qualifying them. And Facebook ads is a great way to do that, because I believe Facebook understands you more than you understand you, because of how much information that they gather through your phone, through your experience on their sites, and things like that. So without further ado, I said I'd keep this short, but that is how you can get your first customer, guys. Just apply these methods. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I do also have a form down below if you want to talk about things. And again, I do have some courses that it's an investment, guys. You want to get your first customer, I promise you, one of those courses down below will help you get your first customer, or just watching this free video and my free video on Facebook ads to help you get started. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. Again, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you do want more free value. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.